Are you new to making money online and want to find an easy way to make money online? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online for beginners. So let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay, family, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Cambly. So on this website, you're going to get paid to chat with people from around the world. Tutoring English with Cambly is fun and rewarding. So you're going to be a tutor, guys. You're going to be tutoring people from around the world English. So you're helping people to speak English. No teaching certificate, bachelor's degree, or prior teaching experience needed. Get paid weekly. So earn from every minute you spend chatting. You make 17 cents per minute, $10.20 per hour on Cambly, and 20 cents per minute and $12 per hour on Cambly Kids. That's the other website that they have. So you're going to get paid via PayPal every Monday. So guys, if you don't have a PayPal account, you just go over to paypal.com, sign up. Only takes a few minutes. So you're going to be able to tutor anywhere at any time. With our students spread across the globe, you can start tutoring at any time of the day based on your schedule. Work as little or as much as you want. No minimum hours ever. How does that sound, guys? And also, you're going to be making a global impact. So on Cambly, you help people around the world build their English language skills in one-on-one lessons. You might chat with a university student from Brazil, a marketing professional from Japan, and an English enthusiast from Turkey, all in one day. How does that sound, guys? You're going to be talking to people from all around the world, from all walks of life, guys. That's something else. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. Just go to cambly.com/tutor to sign up and start making this money teaching people English. I have one more way that you can make some easy money as a beginner. Let me go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I'll put up this app. Name of the app is Surveys on the Go. So let's look at some screenshots right quick. Make extra cash with premium surveys. Get paid for sharing your digital data. You'll be taking surveys, as you can see right here. These are how the surveys look on the app. And you're going to get paid in cash. Now let's just read a little bit more about this app. Make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast, it's easy. Most surveys will pay $1 to $5, with some surveys paying $10 plus if you qualify. So guys, you're going to get paid anywhere from $1 to $10 for each survey that you take. Not that many survey apps pay that amount, guys. Some of them pay pennies. So I suggest you check this app out where you can get paid some good money taking some surveys. Now let's look at the rating on this app. So out of 5 stars is 4.4. Excellent app, guys. Anything that's over 4.0 is a very, very good app. It's not that many apps on here that has a 4.4 rating. Now let's just look at one review right quick. So this person says 3 stars because this is by far the best survey app experience I have had. It's a good way to make a few extra bucks just taking surveys. Now, you're not going to get rich doing these surveys, but it's a good way of making some extra money when you need it. So, guys, I think you better check this app out. It's called Surveys on the Go. download it, start getting that money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app or this website. And please share this all around the internet. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers because I'm going to do a giveaway. On that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.